aggression or difficulty or challenge in dealing with any kind of communication, dealing with any kind of issue through written communication, which results in wastage of time, increase of mental pressure when you are in that situation. So we have to overcome that through this training. That is to say that any kind of difficult technical issue which you are, if ever you need to resolve, you find that your written communication enables you to very effectively do it. Yeah. Okay. In 5 minutes, write out 5 emails. And these are not emails which are written to friends. These are written in a business situation. So your salutations, the ending of the email, the subject, all these things have to be there. You have to have a subject which normally is there in the subject line.
Normally reply to an email, so the subject is been already present. So
Whatever subject is there in the reply button, RE, colon, that you put.
No, that's the way we do. So
Yeah, that's the way. So whatever you imagine that you are replying to an email and that subject is there. I mean, RE. can you please check, or would you please like to check and let me know if everything is fine? What I'm saying is that you have been using can for everything. So will or will you like to? And you can also say, could you please check? Instead of can. Okay. Now supposing if you were to use the passive voice, what would it be? The digital certificate, I think the digital certificate has been exported and emailed to the client as per your requirements. With warm regards. Just change the voice active to passive. Yeah. That's while doing the morning use of what? Here the second line, the what's that has that the server has been restarted and now the thing is closed. Rather than saying that I have done everything. Here.
Subject, this is regarding to XMLs are not getting generated.
This is regarding to?
I mean,
This is with regard to, or regarding, with regard to.
with regards to. Hi Shankar, today we have created some orders and found that XMLs are not getting generated. Could you please look up whether the page is up and running or not? Next, status of today's exhibition. Hi first, please find the entire status and for today's exhibition and also for observations for today's exhibition.
An observation for
Today's
can you just read the line once again?
Please find the entire status sheet for today's exhibition and also the observation sheet that have been done. So could you please look into the observation sheet and let us know so that we log the defects accordingly.
Yeah. So could you, instead of saying so could you, you can either say could you or accordingly would you please.
Here we need to use could you or would you?
I think would you. Would you please, whatever you're saying, would you please look into the matter, or would you please acknowledge receipt or.
Hi James, this is regarding the subject currency interchange.
Yes.
Hi James, I came up with a solution for yesterday's issue. Please find the related as mentioned below. When I am checking that.
Please find the related as mentioned below.
Please find.
You just say
find them.
Instead of saying that line, the details are offered below.
The details are.
I found a solution to the issue we faced yesterday. The details are as below, and then you can describe the details in one more paragraph.
When I am checking the XMLs, I found that the payment currency and the settlement currency got interchanged.
When I am checking, or when I check? When I check. Now you are checking. No, you have already checked it, right?
Already I have checked.
Yeah. So say when I checked the currency interchange, I found that dash 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 dash.
Got interchange. Because of this interchange, there is a lot of difference in the payment amount. That's the issue. So next, client creation. This is the subject.
See, what I'm suggesting is, you are writing this email is the present for something you have already done in the past, right? This problem was coming. This problem was in existence. That is why this issue is being faced. Now this has been taken care of.
Next, subject client creation. Hi Nadia, create a client in FXP application, we need to have the client name and the client ID so that we can map them in FXP application accordingly, and we can start creating our orders. Please let me know in which environment do we need to start creating. This is for starting. Please start the server. Hi team. Morning I came and checked for the XMLs. I could not.
Morning I came. I came this morning.
I came this morning.
Yeah. And
I'm checking for XMLs. and I'm checking for XMLs.
Now are you checking?
Yes. Now
While I'm checking for the.
While I'm checking for it.
No, what I'm saying is you're saying this morning I came. Why are you saying this morning I came? What is the reason for that?
I mean, since morning I could not able to find those XMLs.
I have not been able to find since morning, or I have been trying to find the XML since morning. Now, if I can suggest one thing, Kiran, you once again you review those page numbers 21 to 30. What we had done on that day made sentences in the different tenses. This requires a little more practice so that when you are drafting your emails, automatically you can make the sentence in the right tense as per the requirement. No doubt you can't think about these things when you are doing the emailing. It has to come naturally. Get more practice.
So could any one of you look into this issue and start the server and let me know once you have it.
Okay. Santosh.
First one is regarding my card access. Hi Shiva, yesterday I got my access card, but it is not activated. Could you please suggest to whom I talk regarding this matter?
Yeah, it is not activated or it has not been activated. It has, because someone has to activate the card. It has not been activated. Second email.
Second email is
Now, see, since we have covered active passive voice, you understand why it should be has been activated. Second.
HPCM login issue. It is to Jamie. Dear Jamie, I am not able to log in to HPCM. It's giving error. Please find the attached screenshot for same and
Or the same article.
And let me know if any more information you need from my side.
If any more information is needed from my side, or in case you need any information from my side. Third.
Third is VMS request number 28854. Dear Katsi, this is regarding request number 28854. Below are the 3 points I need to clarify. I have given 3 points. Kindly do it as soon as possible so that I can start working on this. Fourth one is source code for Geo. Dear Ceci, as I already informed you regarding local Geo setup, please provide the link for source code so that I can take it from there and do the needful for my setup so that I can start working on this.
And the last.
Deployment of project Geo2. Dear Dan, we have done with development and testing and it is working fine in our local environment. Now we are ready for production deployment. Kindly ask Shiva to do the needful for sign up.
Requesting for test data. In order to execute test script number 15, requesting you to kindly provide test data for me.
Praveen, whom is this email address to?
Client.
Yeah. So I presume you'll put the name. You'll address it to someone. Hi. So and so.
I will put the client. Test environment down. We are not able to execute the test script since test environment is down. Kindly look into this issue on priority and let us know once it is up.
Okay. Again, name of the person. Put any name just for the sake of it.
New bug found during executing script number 6. Hi Mark, while executing test script number 6 on the latest build provided, we encountered a new defect. This new defect has been raised in the bug tracker with the bug ID 1403.
Okay.
And FRS key SRS001 is not tested from the client. So I will
That is this is subject. FIRS 003 key is not tested.
have to reply. Hi Bhavin, the scenario mentioned in the FRS key has been already covered in test script number 2. So we will add this FRS key in this script and will deliver the script to you.
That's fine. Records.
And another change in test scenario means we had a call with client and there is some change in the test scenario. So I have to give the modified scenario to the client. As discussed on call, I have modified the below test scenario. Kindly go through and confirm the same.
Okay. As discussed on the call article. With these very few small minor changes, you will be flawless in your communication. And the whole thing will be done with effortless ease. That is what is required.